Hi, I'm Benjamin. I work at Nikon SLM Solutions, and I'm excited to introduce you to our new core machine lineup. This is the latest version of our beloved SLM 500, the first quad laser machine in the metal AM industry and still the fastest in its segment. Let's take a closer look at SLM 500, our production-focused SLM machine for medium to large-sized applications. Introduced in 2011, we have refined SLM 500 over the years, listening to market feedback and of course, keep adding innovations to it. The SLM 500 features a 280 by 500 by 365 cubic millimeter build envelope, or roughly 50 liters in volume. That makes it our mid-size solution for various applications in automotive, aviation, energy, and other industries. It is powered by 4 700-watt lasers, allowing you to access the full core parameter lineup, featuring categories for all your needs: precision, prime, productivity, and for some materials, even productivity plus. Our powder portfolio covers various aluminum alloys, nickel-based superalloys, steels, titanium and copper alloys, and more. Let me give you a high-level overview of all individual components of our SLM 500. We start with the machine itself. This is the main component, which includes the lasers, process chamber, human-machine interface, and one of my favorite parts, the removable build cylinder, which allows the next job to be started in less than 1 hour. Would you like to learn more about us, our products, or specifically want to start your journey with the SLM 500? Then visit us at nikonslmsolutions.com or get in touch with your regional sales manager. Our highly skilled team of application engineers supports you by analyzing your part and performing an accurate business case analysis, including total cost of ownership prediction. Because at Nikon SLM, we see our customers as partners, and it is our mission to empower yours.